Saddlemen's TS1450R and TS1620R tactical tunnel and tail bags are designed with a blend of dynamic materials, resulting in tough, weather-resistant, and long-lasting storage that keeps your most valued items protected ride after ride. As part of our tactical lineup, these models offer the same sturdy construction and range of use as the original TS1450R and TS1620R, but adds a few stylish adjustments. These bags are perfect additions to any bike, from cruiser to sport bike and everything in between. And M.O.L.L.E webbing on the bag's exterior provides a unique design detail that highlights its rugged functionality. They're designed to fit perfectly on the passenger seat or tail section, and the only difference between these two styles is the wider tunnel on the TS1620R. Even if you're packing light, you won't have to worry about frumpy-looking bags. These hold their shape even when empty. Inside the main compartment, you've got plenty of storage space for cargo, plus tech organizers to keep your smartphone, tablet, or camera separated. Constructed of UV, water, and weather-resistant 1200 denier material, this is a bag that won't let you down even in the harshest conditions. All the exterior zippers are equipped with Saddlemen's unique self-healing zipper system, which includes black sliders attached to large pull tabs that are easy to grip with or without gloves. And when the weather gets wet, a reflective rain cover with locking cinch cord is included to protect your belongings from the elements. 6 concealed D-rings are easy to use, but never in danger of scratching your bike's finish. Multiple oversized mounting rings around the bag, combined with the integrated M.O.L.L.E attachment option, overcome unique mounting challenges. Available at right around that $145 price point, the TS1450R and TS1620R tactical bags offer a rugged design with exclusive features and unrivaled durability. And if you want to learn more, simply call, email, or direct message us, and one of our friendly and knowledgeable product specialists will assist you in selecting the perfect Saddlemen luggage for your next ride. 800-397-7709 or sales@saddlemen.com.